The U.S. Small Business Administration and the United States Postal Service present Delivering Success. Financing a small business can be one of the most challenging aspects of ownership. Learn from two entrepreneurs how the SBA can help you secure financing. Meet Greg Bruckelman, owner of BKG, an integrated marketing firm. He was recognized in 2006 as SBA's South Dakota Small Business Person of the Year. He received an SBA-backed loan to finance and grow the business.
So our business is called Bruckelman Cabista Group, and we are a marketing and advertising agency in Sioux Falls, South Dakota. We have 15 employees, and we work with a wide variety of clients, from software developers to manufacturers to doctors, in helping them grow and market their business through creative messaging, and we use multiple media to do that for our clients, and it's really always based off of a sound strategy. When we purchased the business, we had to use the SBA to acquire our financing for the business purchase, and also when we purchased and built our building, we used the SBA to finance that project as well. So we would not be here without the SBA. We would not be in business without the SBA, quite frankly. First of all, when we were developing our business plan before we purchased the business, the SBA helped us out in developing our financial projections for the business. The SBA has never given us, granted us, loaned us any money themselves, but what the SBA has done is they have taken some of the risk away from the banks. We have an advertising agency. We don't have a lot of hard assets. When we acquired the business, it was basically buying blue sky. Banks don't like to use blue sky as security or collateral when they loan money, and so the SBA helps the bank lower their risk by guaranteeing part of the loan. So that's where the SBA really came into play for us, was again reducing the risk for the bank, so the bank would in turn lend us the money that we needed to acquire the business.
Hear how Aaron Wolfson of Savvy Gourmet in New Orleans found money to grow his business with the SBA help.
We sort of dealt with the SBA through our banker. So the SBA does not actually lend money to individuals. What they do is they give the lender a sense of comfort by guaranteeing a certain percentage of the loan that's given out. So as long as the applicant satisfies a certain set of criteria, the SBA signs off on the guarantee, and the bank is more likely to be comfortable with a new business, a startup business. And although we had been operating for several years before we opened our facility, we were in essence a startup. So a very high percentage of startup businesses fail in the first several years of operation. So in order to accept that level of risk, the bank has a guarantee from the government, basically, that if the applicant defaults, the government will guarantee the loan.
For more information from SBA on financing a business, click on the provided links. And for business tips, log on to the United States Postal Service at USPS.com/smallbiz.